Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. As always, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be in the Math in Sports playlist, and in this video, I'm going to be calculating 88.9% of my deadlift working max for week 7 of my powerlifting program. And tomorrow morning, as long as I'm able to live stream it, you'll actually see me lifting 88.9% of my max for 5 reps. I'm going to live stream the workout if I can. So 88.9%, if I was going to write that as a decimal, this is how it would look if I were to write that as a decimal. So since 369 pounds is my working max for deadlifts, I have to multiply 369 times 0.889. Now, as always, I'm going to multiply this as if we're a whole number, and then at the very end, I'm going to move the decimal point over. Because the decimal point for whole numbers is always, it's invisible, but it's always behind all of the numbers. And if we're dealing with a number that's not a whole number, the decimal will be in front of one or more of the digits. So at the very end, I'm going to line up the decimals, but to start off, I'm going to multiply it as if it were a whole number to start. So pretending that both of these are whole numbers, always start off by multiplying both digits in the ones place, and anytime a product is 10 or more, I have to regroup and carry the number over. So 9 times 9 equals 81. So the 1 and 81 goes here. I'm going to carry over the 8. 6 times 9 equals 54, plus the 8 that I carried over equals 62. So 2 carry the 6. 3 times 9 equals 27, plus 6 equals 33. I'm going to cross out the two numbers that I carried over so I don't get confused. Now we're going to multiply the 3 top digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. I'm going to put a 0 here since we already multiplied both digits in the ones place. 9 times 8 equals 72, so I'm going to put a 2 here, carry the 7. 6 times 8 equals 48, plus 7 equals 55. 5 carry the 5. 3 times 8 equals 24. Plus 5 equals 29. Again, crossing out what we carried over. So now I'm going to put a 0 in the ones and the tens place. Now we have to multiply the 3 top digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place. 9 times 8, again, equals 72. 2 carry the 7. 6 times 8 equals 48, plus 7 is 55. 5 carry the 5. 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 5 is 29. So now I have to add up these 3 numbers. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 2 plus 2 plus 0 equals 4. 3 plus 5 equals 8, plus 2 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 3 plus 9 equals 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 1 equals 18. 8 carry the 1. 2 plus 9 equals 11, plus 1 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the final step is we have to move the decimal point over. Now, if both the numbers we're multiplying here were whole numbers, our answer would be 328,041. But as you can see, we're dealing with thousands here. There is a decimal point in front of the 3 digits. So I have to move the decimal point over 3 places. So if I move the decimal point over 1 place, the answer becomes 32,804.1. If I move the decimal point over 2 places, my answer is now 3,280.41, or how we would pronounce it, 3,280 and 41/100ths. Now I'm moving the decimal point over 3 places. $328 and 41/1000ths. So 88.9% of my deadlift max would be 328 and 41/1000 pounds. Now, since I can't lift that exact amount of weight with the weights that I have, I'm going to round that down. So about 328 pounds. That's what I'm going to try to lift tomorrow. I'm going to try to deadlift that weight for 5 reps. So that's the goal. I'm going to live stream the workout tomorrow. Again, this video will show up in my Math in Sports playlist. That is my video today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know if this video was helpful. Let me know if you found this video interesting. And if there's an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. And that is my video for today, and I will see all of you tomorrow.